guys, welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen. And on today's episode we are going to go the traditional way. And what are we going to be making, guys? Look at this. Here we have some sour porridge, and there are different types of porridge. Of course we have millet, sorghum, but this is sour porridge, and all the time it stands out, and it's always been my best type of porridge. So let's make this recipe together. So guys, while you're making sour porridge, the ratio should be 1 cup of flour to 3 cups of water, but you can always decide to either add more water or reduce the amount of water depending on whether you want thick or light porridge. Okay, so this is me mixing up, and guys, you see, even the measurements is not like, it's not key, but whatever is key here is the mixing process. Like, you have to really mix everything together to avoid those lumps. As you can see there, I was just trying to show you, like, there were lumps on my stirring stick. I'm sure you could see those lumps. So just ensure that you mix everything together. You just have to be patient. So after that, you have some water in your cooking pot, and then you allow that water to boil. You boil as if you want to pluck chicken feathers. Okay, so after that, you're now going to add in your paste. Okay, so you add in your paste to the already boiled water. Okay, and by the way, the stirring, with the stirring we were using some cold water, and then you just put that cold mixture to the hot boiling water, and after that you mix. By the way, guys, here you have to mix. By the way, you'll just have to learn how to, what is it called, to be a mixer. Yes, but if you don't mix, also lumps can also form at this juncture. And by the way, also another advantage of porridge is also good for lactating mothers. It's also good for, you see, for sick people. You can also take porridge because it's a drink, yes, but it is, it has some nutritive value, and when you eat it, it can hold your stomach for a long period of time. So even most of the times here in Kenya, in hospitals, sick people are usually given like porridge. And also, if you are lactating and maybe you want to like increase your milk intake, this is your beverage to go. This is your beverage. So by the if you ever cook your porridge and then you see like it has thickened up, personally I usually add some cold water into the boiling porridge. Okay, so but after you add, like, as you can see over there, like, you see the amount of porridge has already increased in amount. It has increased because I added some cold water. But even if you add cold or hot water, you just have to keep on stirring. That is the hack. So the point at which you'll stop stirring is when you start seeing those bubbles. And while you're cooking, these bubbles are usually very dangerous, and they can harm you. But they can even burn you to a point of you peeling your skin. So that is why you have to be careful. So, and after 30 minutes our porridge was ready, and look at that porridge. It does not have any lumps. That porridge is thick. You see, that porridge is, by the way, it was very sweet. And sour porridge is my best, and I made it the modern way. There's also a traditional way. If you want to see that method, you can also comment down below, and I don't mind showing you. So this is me serving. And by the, if you always give your children porridge, like, they are going to stay for a longer time without complaining of hunger or thirst. Porridge is the way to go. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.